Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Permex Petroleum. We're sitting here once again with Marin, and we have a really exciting news release to get into today. Marin, are you ready to dive in?
Absolutely. Good to be here. Let's go ahead.
All right. So you guys announced application for DTC eligibility for the OTCQB market. So can you break down what this means and why it's a seriously big deal?
Sure. The DTC is the largest, it stands for Depository Trust Company. It's the largest security depository in the world. In fact, it has approximately $35 trillion worth of securities. Okay. It is not a joke. So what's the significance of becoming DTC? And a lot of investors don't even hear about it is when historically brokerages get involved and retail investors are already involved, it's certificates. It's physical certificates that you go and deposit. You fill out various forms at your brokerage houses or the banks, and you deposit the certs. But if you're DTC eligible, all of this becomes through an electronic clearinghouse, making it very easy and very swift to handle. So what does it typically do? Now, it's important to point out that it's really important because brokerage houses typically do not execute if you're not DTC eligible. Yeah. So if we're looking to, for instance, down the line to do any type of brokerage concepts here in the US, if you're not DTC eligible, they're not going to execute those trades. We're talking about institutional funds now. Typically companies that their securities are not DTC eligible, they see lower investor activity, lower volumes, and lower valuations on that matter as well. It's all tied in. So this was the next evolutionary period for us as Permex. Now, I am not going to discuss listings as far as uplistings, what we plan. As those come ahead, we will provide that to everyone, shareholders, and let them know as we're growing. But this was a pivotal point for us to become DTC eligible, submitting our application now, so that we prepare for any future plans that we may have to grow the size of the company and any potential uplisting. That's DTC eligibility. It's very important for companies that want to grow, that want more liquidity for their shareholders, ease of transactions, and the involvement of institutional and larger retail investors to become DTC eligible.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations on that milestone. It is a big one. Look forward to more stuff coming from you, Marin. Any last words before we go?
No, I think that's about it. What we can anticipate once we become DTC eligible, which will notify everyone, typically is increased trading of the securities, lower trading costs overall for the securities, liquidity will go up, and possible higher valuations tied to the DTC side as well.
All right, Marin, wonderful. Thank you for the update. Thank you, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. We have updated contact information for you to reach out directly as well. Marin, have a wonderful day.
You as well.